Hello guys and welcome to another Jurassic World unboxing. Today we have another unboxing. Today we have unboxed two things. This guy right here, the Ankylosaurus, and the surprise one right here. This is the one I always wanted. So we are back in Jurassic World. Guess what will it be? What we are unboxing today? It is. It is Velociraptor Blue Battle Damage. Never doing that again. Velociraptor Blue Battle Damage. Yeah! Yeah!
Looks like it was pretty well. There's about $400. There's that stolen like that.
Battle Damage Blue. So this is the only battle damage thing I got other than battle damage right there. This is the only battle damage, and like always we have the thing at the back. It tells what it does. We have some more dinosaurs like a Stygimoloch, Triceratops, a Pachycephalosaurus, and a weird looking dinosaur. Can you guys please tell me which this dinosaur is? And yeah, I don't know what dinosaur that is. This is the coolest thing I think I have. Sorry guys, the camera is a little bit fuzzy today. Blue, sorry. Ah! These Jurassic World boxes are like driving me insane. Good. Yes. Yes. Okay, we are looking at this box now. Blue. Nice material. Nice colors. Legs move. Rarely. Is it one of those legs where they jump? No, they don't. Okay. The legs are very stiff. The head is the best part, I think. Like you can do like. Ah! We have yellow, bright yellow eyes, and it's actually accurate to the movie because in the movie, Blue has the blue line like going to his eyes over here, and over here, it's not coming towards his eyes. That's actually accurate. The hands also, and this is the battle damage. And it has this rotated head that can go 360. And yeah, what is happening? Okay, let's see. Now we have Owen Grady versus the Velociraptor Blue. It's actually pretty accurate size. Not going to lie. So yeah, let's see. So I think who made eat him? Who injured Blue so badly his muscles are shown is the Indoraptor. So what would be better than to them to fight? Them not to fight. So let's see the sizes of other blues I have. This is the normal blue battle damage. This is a miniature Apatosaurus. Where is he? I can't find him. We have a miniature Allosaurus. The size of blue. So I'll just come after I find this blue. I found them. Yeah, they are pretty small. So the video is getting over, guys. So quickly subscribe now for more content. Next time I'll see you. Bye.